Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about one of the important features that we have in NotebookLM, which is video overview. In the last in the last videos, we have discussed about audio overview where we have downloaded podcasts or audio files and we could share it with other people. In the same way, this time we can create video for some sources depending upon your requirement. So what I'm going to do is, if you want to create a video overview for all the documents, then you have to check all the boxes. Or if you want to create video overview for one of the sources, then you can select that particular source. If you select all, then it might take more time. If you select one document or one source, it will be happening quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm very curious about this particular book called The Four Agreements. So I would like to get the video overview. So I'm going to click on it, and to generate a video, you have to click on video overview. Here comes the interesting thing. Like we discussed before, at any point in time, if you want to customize it, click on these three little dots, click on customize. Let's say, for example, this information is highly technical, maybe some critical financial reports that you don't understand. In this way, in this situation, what you can do is you can simply say, hey, could you please explain this to me? Like a 10-year-old kid or boy. Or let's say, for example, you are a highly technical person and you want to get all the technical knowledge without filtering anything. You can also say something like, I am the chief technology officer or chief financial officer, so please explain this topic in with high end information, something like that. So you can customize it depending upon your requirement. So once you do that, click on overview, click on video overview, and if you see here, it says generating video overview, and it says this may take a while. So it might take 5 minutes or 10 minutes or maybe more than that. So please wait for some time, and I'm going to come back to you once this process is completed. All right, the video overview is ready. It took like 10 minutes to create video overview. Now I'm going to click on video overview. I'm going to click on the play button here and see how it goes. So if you remember, we have created video overview for the Four Agreements book. So I'm going to make it full screen. So this is the full screen, and I'm going to click on play.
All right, let's dive into a book that is, well, just incredibly powerful. Today we're exploring The Four Agreements, which comes from ancient Toltec wisdom. It's a really simple guide on the surface, but it promises something huge: true personal freedom and happiness. So the book kicks off with this really direct question, and I'll ask it to you. Are you really free? I mean, sure, we might think we are, but are we truly free to just be our authentic selves? According to Toltec wisdom, most of us, well, we're not. And the big question is, why?
Here's the core idea. The problem starts because we're all born into a reality that's already running. The Toltecs call this the dream of the planet. Think of it as the collective dream of society. All its rules, its beliefs, its laws, its values. We don't get to choose this dream. We're just dropped right into it. So how do we learn to live in this big societal dream? The book uses a pretty wild word for it: domestication. And it's a powerful comparison. Just like we train an animal with treats for good behavior, you've got the inner judge, who's like this merciless enforcer. Our minds basically split into two parts that are always at war. You've got the inner judge, who's like this merciless enforcer with a giant book of law full of all the rules we've learned, and then there's the victim, the part of us that takes all the hits, feels all.
This sounds really amazing. Imagine the possibilities that you have with NotebookLM video feature. Let's talk about a role in your organization or in your office, or maybe you are a student or a teacher. And if you want to share this information with somebody else, all you need to do is upload the sources, create the video overview, and send it to the person. maybe this person is joining the organization and you want to share some important details about the organization, or you want to share some technical knowledge, or you want to share some, maybe you're traveling somewhere and you want to share information about what is the visa process about, or other things, or it could be anything, it could be anything. So you can create a video overview, and if you can share it with some people, then they can learn the information through this video overview. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is it is adding emojis as well. It is adding emojis as well. So this is very beautiful to watch. So let's continue.
All the guilt and lives with this nagging belief that I'm just not good enough. We become our own judge, our own jury, our own domesticator.
So what's the result of this constant inner battle? It's just chaos. Pure mental chaos. The Toltecs have a great word for it, the mitot. It's like having 1,000 different voices all shouting in your head at once, all contradicting each other. This mental fog is what keeps us from seeing things clearly.
Creative force. Now, to be impeccable literally means without sin, and a sin is defined as anything you do against yourself. So when you use your words for gossip, for judgment, to spread hate, that's black magic. You're literally casting dark spells. But when we use our words to speak truth, to share love, to encourage, we're practicing white magic. We're creating goodness and connection, not poison.
And get this, there's a story in the book that just hits you right in the gut. There's this little girl, and she's singing happily. Her mother, who's tired and stressed out, just snaps and says, "Shut up, you have an ugly voice." And in that moment, the little girl believes her. She makes an agreement, a deal with herself that her voice is ugly, and she never ever sings again. A single, careless phrase cast a spell that basically ruined her joy for a lifetime. And that story just drives home. Become immune to all that emotion. So simple. But yeah, it does take a little bit of courage. You just have to ask, tired. The whole point is just to give the right amount of effort for that particular moment. So it's all about finding that sweet spot, you know? If you do less than your best, you just swing the door wide.
Alright guys, I don't want to play the complete video, so that, if I play the complete video, it is going to take a lot of time. So I think you understand like what is happening with the help of video overview. So please use this feature in NotebookLM. It is an amazing feature, and use it according to your requirement. I don't know what kind of profession you are in. Try to use this feature, and it is going to help you a lot in your daily life. And before we end this video, I would like to say that if you want to download the file, you can download the file from here. And at any point in time, if you want to rename, you can rename. If you want to download, you can download. If you want to share it with other people in your team or with your colleagues or whoever it is, you can do it. And if you want to delete it, you can also delete it. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.